Hi everyone, short update today. It is cold. I don't even see what that is now. What is that? Below 10 degrees. It's about 8:40 this morning. Didn't do an update yesterday. I was down here, but I got a bit sidetracked. So anyway, managed to clear more of this bindweed out of here. Like I said before, again, sometimes you do something and it looks like you've not done anything, but done a bit there. Move some of that up there. Put some compost on these ones here. Compost there. Put some more compost on these ones. Let that sink down, and then I'll cover those on there. And then got this path in here. So that was a big thing yesterday. Got this bed turned over here. So I'm going to put a path in there, and then another bed in there, and then that's it done. Basically ready. And quite funny actually, yesterday somebody from the allotment said, have you got a vegetable plan mapped out? I was like, yeah, of course I have. I haven't. Thought need to get one of those done. I've started sowing some seeds and stuff, but I don't really have an idea where I'm going to put anything yet. I haven't decided. That gap there, I'll probably put some, I think I'm going to use that gap there and that there for potatoes, because that's sort of a bit of wasted areas, so I could utilise them with potatoes. I've got an arch that I bought from Amazon, so I'm going to put that there. No idea what I'm going to put in the raised beds just yet, and obviously I've got to plan these beds out as well, so I might have a look at doing the planning today. Luxury shed update, slowly getting emptier. Do need to put some shelves in there, really. Shelves in there, look at the size of it. And that's my nemesis. I need to empty that out. That's just full of, that's a water butt full of soil. So I might do that, not today. I think that's just full of bindweed as well. It's a bloody nightmare. But yeah, so let's see how I get on today. I'm going to focus on this bit today, and then I'll bring you back later. This is going to be the last path. Bed, undecided, but this is going to be the last path, no more paths. So that means I can easily get to all my beds either side without any restrictions. So I'll use some of this membrane. Obviously I took all the membrane up. I'm only using this membrane for the path, and I managed to find some of these while digging up, so I don't need to buy a new pack of those, which is a bit of a result. Yeah, so I'll bring you back for an update near the end. I'm back, everyone. Right, this is the update so far. So I've done this bed, that bed, this bed. Remanured those 2 beds. Here I'm thinking doing broad beans or French beans, don't know yet. That's all sorted out. So this is this view. And then in the polytunnel, put some compost in here. So I should have done that first actually and seen if it made, and sealed it all, and then wait an hour or so, see if it made any difference to the temperature. I doubt if it would have done. It's not really a scientific experiment. Sorry about the shouting next door. Domestic, allotment domestic. Alright, cool. Well, catch you later. Bye now.